Jesus heals a woman crippled for 18 years. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a woman crippled for 18 years, found in Luke chapter 13 verses 10 to 17. This story reveals how Jesus brings healing, freedom, and restoration, no matter how long we have suffered. One Sabbath day, Jesus was teaching in a synagogue, and among the people was a woman who had been crippled for 18 years. She had a spirit of infirmity that caused her to be bent over and unable to stand up straight. When Jesus saw her, he called her forward and said, "Woman, you are set free from your infirmity." Jesus laid his hands on her, and immediately, she stood up straight and began praising God. The crowd was filled with wonder and joy, seeing the power of Jesus' healing. But the synagogue leader was angry and said, "There are 6 days to work. Come to be healed on those days, not the Sabbath." Jesus replied, "You hypocrites! Doesn't each of you untie your ox or donkey on the Sabbath to give it water? Shouldn't this woman, a daughter of Abraham, whom Satan has kept bound for 18 years, be set free on the Sabbath?" Jesus' words silenced his opponents, and the people rejoiced at all the wonderful things he was doing. The story of Jesus heals a woman crippled for 18 years teaches us important lessons about healing, compassion, and spiritual freedom. First lesson: Jesus sees us and desires to set us free. Psalm chapter 34 verse 17, "The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles." The woman did not ask for healing, but Jesus saw her suffering and called her forward. He sees our pain and longs to heal us. Second lesson: spiritual bondage can last for years, but Jesus can break it in a moment. John chapter 8 verse 36, "So if the Son sets you free, you will be free indeed." The woman had been bound for 18 years, but with one touch, Jesus set her free. No matter how long we have struggled, Jesus has the power to restore us completely. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus sees our pain and calls us to him for healing. Second, spiritual and physical healing are possible through Jesus. Third, God's mercy is more important than religious rules. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I believe that Jesus sees me and cares about my struggles? 2. Am I carrying burdens for years that Jesus wants to set me free from? 3. Do I focus more on religious rules, or do I show mercy like Jesus? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a woman crippled for 18 years teaches us. First lesson: Jesus sees us and desires to set us free. Second lesson: spiritual bondage can last for years, but Jesus can break it in a moment. No matter what struggles we face, Jesus is always ready to heal, restore, and set us free. Just as in Jesus heals a woman crippled for 18 years, we too can experience his mercy and power through faith. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.